Now here you have to see this is the second video of the chapter 2, and in this video we are going to discuss about suppose we are having any dipole, then at an axial point and then after at an equatorial point or any general point we are taking, and at this point we are going to calculate the electric potential. In chapter 1 already we are calculated the electric field. So here this is the heading, electric potential at an axial point of electric dipole. This is our heading. So electric potential that we want to calculate what at an axial point of electric dipole. Electric field in chapter 1 we are calculated. So here you have to see this is the electric dipole means system of the equal and opposite charges that is separated by finite distance. Suppose this is the point A and here this is the minus q charge, and at point B that we are keeping this is the plus q charge. Means both ends of this electric dipole they are having what equal and opposite charges, right? Suppose this is the center of electric dipole and suppose this is A and then after this is also what A, and suppose this is the one axial line is there which is passing through this electric dipole. Suppose this is point P and at this point we want to calculate what electric potential due to this system of equal and opposite charges, means due to the electric dipole. Suppose from the center this distance, suppose this distance, this is what R, where we want to calculate the electric potential. So if you want to calculate the net electric potential at point P, suppose at point P the net potential this is what Vp, and you know electric potential this is what, this is the scalar quantity. So simple addition that we are going to use means this is the electrostatic potential due to minus q charge plus electrostatic potential at point P due to the plus q charge, right? Now V minus q first we are going to calculate. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught this is, and then after charge this is what, minus q. So here that we are writing minus q, and then after this distance here, this from the center this is R, and then this is what, A. So this total distance of this point P from this minus q charge this is what, A plus R. So here we are writing this is the A plus R plus A, that what is going to write this is right. Now plus the electrostatic potential at point P due to this plus q charge. So this is again 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is charge, this is the plus q, so plus q we are writing, and then after distance, this Bp distance you have to see, this is the known total distance, this is R, and then this is what, A. When you are going to subtract means R minus A, so this is Bp, this is what R minus A, so here you have to write R minus A. For symmetry here we are also writing this is the R plus A, there is no problem, plus is there, so there is no problem. Now here you have to take the common something. So when you are going to take out the common, suppose we are taking this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught that we are taking out, and charge also q you have to take out. Here we have to write this is the plus q we are taking out. Then what is, this is the minus R plus A, and then after plus 1 this is the R minus A, right? R plus A, R minus A, you have to take the LCM. So this is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is R plus A, R minus A. So here this is what, minus R minus A, then plus this is the cancel out, this is the remaining, means R plus A. Now we are going to solve this one. So the net potential at point P due to this system of equal and opposite charges means Vp this is the q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is, then within the bracket here you have to see this is minus, you have to multiply inside, so minus r plus a. This is, and here this is r plus a, so this is the r plus a, and then after here we are writing this thing. So in downside this is what, in one bracket a plus b and another bracket a minus b, so a square minus b square, so r square minus a square. This is the minus q charge. So these are here cancel out. So Vp, this is what, q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here this you have to see 2a, and then after this is what, r square minus a square. This we are having. So q into 2a, this is what, electric dipole moment, we know that since. And electric dipole moment, this direction is what, from minus q to plus q, or in magnitude. Q into 2a, this is the electric dipole moment. So Vp, this you can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here this is the p. P, this is equal to q into 2a, magnitude of either charge and their separation. And here this is the r square minus a square, right? This is. Now one condition is that, this is the formula, one formula. One condition is that if from the center and then this distance in comparison to this one, it means r is, if r is the very greater than a, means r is very greater than a, then अगर a आपका क्या है, this is what, already this is the too small, then a square, this is also the very small, therefore we can neglect this a square. So what we will get, Vp, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r square. So this is the what, electrostatic potential, or simply electric potential at point P due to this system of equal and opposite charges, right? Now here you have to see, this is the next one, electric potential at an equatorial point of electric dipole. This is the, and you know what is the meaning of the equatorial point? Means suppose this is one electric dipole. Here suppose this is the minus q charge at point A, and here this is the plus q charge at point B, right? And this is the center. So equatorial point, already you know that means a line which is the perpendicular bisector of this electric dipole. This is known as what, equatorial line, means this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it is making the 90 degree and it is dividing the dipole into two equal parts. Means what? That equatorial line, it is passes through the center of the electric dipole. So any point if you are going to consider, right? Suppose either in this side or in downside, there is no problem. Suppose here we are going to consider one point P which is r distance from this electric dipole, and at this point we want to calculate what? Strength of the electrical potential, right? Suppose this is the A and then this is also, right? So this, suppose this angle, this is the theta, and then this is, both are what, 90 degree, means this is also 90 degree. Suppose this is. Now listen, at this point we want to calculate the electric potential which is r distance from this electric dipole. So if this angle is also theta, when we are using the Pythagoras theorem, then this is what, under root r square plus a square, and then this is also what, under root r square plus a square by Pythagoras theorem. There is no problem. Now again you have to suppose the net electrostatic potential at point this piece due to this system of equal and opposite charges, this is the Vp. So this is equal to electrostatic potential at point P due to the minus q charge, and then after electrostatic potential at point P due to the plus q charge. This is. Now after that you have to see V minus q. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge, this is what, minus q, and distance under root r square plus a square plus v plus q, means this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, and then after charge plus q, so plus, no need to write, distance again same, this is what, r square plus a square, because electrostatic potential, this is what is scalar quantity, so this in this way we have done this. So here you see both are what, similar but opposite in nature, therefore they are cancelled out to each other, they are cancelling each other. So electric potential at an equatorial point due to this electric dipole, this is what, 0, right? Axial point, at axial point we are calculated, but at equatorial point here you have to see when you are going to calculate that, so what we are getting, that this is what electrostatic potential, this is what, 0. So at an axial point and an equatorial point we have calculated electric potential. Now we are taking any general point, and then after at that general point we want to calculate what is the electrostatic potential. Now listen, this is the next topic is there, means electric potential at any general point due to an electric dipole. So suppose here we are going to consider one electric dipole, suppose this is, here we are keeping minus q charge, suppose this is one in A, and here we are keeping plus q charge, suppose this is another end. This is the center, suppose this is the O, this is distance, this is there, this is also what, any general point, suppose we are taking here, this is the very far away from this electric dipole, and suppose it is making some angle that we are saying that this angle is theta, and distance, suppose this is r from this electric dipole, OP, this is equal to what, r. So simply you have to join this to this one, and then after this to point A, alright. Now here you have to extend this one up to D, suppose we are going to extend this is, and then from this end we are going to draw the perpendicular to on this, means this is the 90 degree angle. How much angle? This is the 90 degree. In similar way, suppose this is the point B is there, from this point you have to draw the perpendicular on this OP, means like that. This is the 90 degree angle. So here you have to see, this is, suppose this point, this is the C, and then after this is the D. Now if you want to calculate this OC, so in right angle triangle you have to see that in triangle OCB, if you want to find out, means we want to find out this this base is there, so cos theta, this is equal to base upon hypotenuse, so this is the base OC, this also we want to calculate OC, base, and then after hypotenuse 90 degree, then this is the hypotenuse, means this is what, A, this is the A, so A, means OC, this is equal to what, A cos theta. Now in similarly, now in this triangle you have to see, in triangle, this is the triangle, in triangle OCB. Now in similarly in triangle, right angle triangle, this is what, ADOR ODA. Again we want to calculate this OD distance, so this, if this is the theta, then definitely this is also what, theta. This is the 90 degree angle. So cos theta in this one, base, this is the OD, this is the base, OD that we want to calculate, OD, and then after this is the base upon hypotenuse, means hypotenuse, this is the simply, this is the A. So OD, again same thing is there, this is the A cos theta. Means this and this both are what, similar way, this is what, A cos theta, right? Now we want to calculate the electric potential at point P due to this system of equal and opposite charges. So here suppose this is the Vp, this is the net potential at point P due to this plus and minus Q charge, right? So here you have to see, this is the now electric, suppose this is the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge and plus electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge. So this is the net potential at point P. So this is equal to, with the help of this one you have to see. So at point P due to this one, so this is equal to what? This is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, and then after charge plus Q, and this distance from this to this is what? Suppose this is the BP. This is what? BP. And plus with the help of minus Q charge. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge, this is the minus Q. And this distance, this is what? AP. Now listen. If BP, this is equal to PC. If BP, this is equal to what? PC. And here to see this we are calculated A cos theta, right? So if you want to calculate BP, so BP, this is equal to PC, and then this is equal to OP minus OC. So this is equal to R minus, means this distance minus the distance, this distance definitely will give what? EC. So R minus A cos theta. This is what BP. Now if AP, this is equal to, means this must be, this is equal to what? PD, and PD, this is R, and this the distance OD we are calculated, this is what? A cos theta. So this is equal to AP is what? R plus A cos theta. Now from this one we can put BP and then after what? AP. Or if you want to take out the common, so you have to take the common. So suppose here this is the one. So from 1 what we will get? VP, common you have to take out, this is the Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, and then what is there? 1 upon BP minus 1 upon AP, right? So this is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, and 1 upon BP, this we are calculated R minus A cos theta. R minus A cos theta, this we are calculated. Minus AP, this is what? 1 upon R plus A cos theta, right? Now after that we are going to rub this portion. So this we are going to rub. So here you have to see this is the VP. This is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here you have to take LCM. What is the LCM this and this term? So in one bracket R minus A cos theta, and another bracket this is the R plus A cos theta. This we are taking the LCM. Then what we will get here? Here this is the R plus A cos theta minus sign. Then within the bracket you write what? This term, this is the R minus A cos theta, right? So VP, this is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, then R plus A cos theta minus R plus A cos theta, and here you have to see downside in A minus B, A plus B, means A square minus B in one A square minus B square formula we can apply. So R square minus A square cos theta, this we can apply, right? Here this is the cancel out. So what we will get? VP, this is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is, and then A cos theta, this is the 2A cos theta, and then after this is the R square minus A square cos square theta, right? Here if you see if this angle is small, then the value of cos square theta, this is the very less than, and here if you see if a, this is the very less than in comparison to this distance r. So here if you see this if condition is that if r, this is the very greater than a, so this term we can neglect. After this one you have to see what we will get. Here you have to say, see this is the Vp, this is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and then after here one thing you have to see, this is the Q into 2a, this is the dipole moment which is directed from negative to positive, so this you have to write P upon cos theta, and then after in downside this is what R square. So this is the electrostatic potential at point P due to this, at any general point P, due to this system of equal and opposite charges. And with the help of this one we can easily find out at axial point what is the value of the electric potential, at an equatorial point what is the value of electric potential. So here you have to see, when this point is lying in this direction, means that its axis, the angle, this is what, 0. For axial, note you have to see, for axial point, then theta, this you have to shift in here, then this angle theta, this is what, 0 degree. So Vp equal to what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P cos 0 degree, and then after this is what, R square. So Vp, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is the P cos 0, this is the one, R square. Here you have to see similar result we are getting that. And at equatorial point, this angle, this is become what, 90 degree. Note number 1 and note number 2. If theta equal to 90 degree for equatorial point, means it is, if this is making the 90 degree, then cos 90, this is what, 0. So Vp, this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P cos 90 upon, this is what, R square, cos 90 0, so total term is. So easily we can calculate at an axial point and at an equatorial point, and then this is what? This is the expression for the electric potential at any general point due to the electric